method of preparation of receipt and payment account. As we all know, in accounting, we prepare receipt and payment account with all the cash receipts and cash payments for the whole year, right? So therefore, we determine the net result of cash receipts and cash payments of a fixed time through this account. Concurrently, the left-hand side of this account is known as the receipt, and the right-hand side of this account is known as payment. I'm going to expatiate on that. All cash receipts are recorded on the left-hand side, while all cash payments are recorded on the right-hand side, and they are arranged in a classified form. 1. We start taking opening balances of cash in hand and cash at bank and enter them on the debit side. If there is any bank overdraft at the beginning, there is a need for us to enter the same on the credit side, right? The second thing that needs to be done is now that we've entered the total amount of all the receipts on the debit side and the total amount of all the payments on the credit side, whether capital or revenue, whichever comes first, and whether they are of past, current, and futures, that will be fixed. The third one is that we do not need to include incomes or expenses that do not involve the inflow or outflow of cash. Another one is that now we will find the difference between the total of the debit side. Normally, how we used to do it in accounting, right? We look for the total of the debit side and the total of the credit side of the account we've prepared. The amount that was so found will be the closing balance of cash or bank. In case, let's say when you are doing it, the credit side is more higher than the debit side, the amount will be debited as bank overdraft, and there is need for us to close the account. And to this, we've come to the end of the lecture. Thank you guys for watching. Remember to subscribe to LearnCity. Thank you.